Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So in this class we are going to start off with next topic, that is India's National Action Plan on CC, that is climate change. Okay, so the National Action Plan hinges on the development and use of new technology. The implementation of plan include public-private partnerships and civil society action. The focus will be on promoting understanding of climate change, adaptation and mitigation, energy efficiency, and natural resource conservation. There are total eight national missions, which forms the core of the National Action Plan. Okay, so we will study these eight missions one by one. Okay, so the first mission is National Solar Mission. So the National Solar Mission is a major initiative to promote ecologically sustainable growth while addressing India's energy security challenge. Okay, and this mission adopted a three-phase approach. Okay, so the first one is to spanning the remaining period of the 11th plan and the first year of the 12th plan, that is up to 2012 to 2013 as a phase 1. The remaining 4 years of the 12th plan, that is 2013 to 17 as phase 2, and the 13th plan is 2017 to 2022, which will be phase 3. Okay, and at the end of each plan there will be an evaluation of the progress. Now let us see that what are its objectives. So its first objective is to establish India as a global leader in solar energy by creating the policy conditions for its diffusion across the country as quickly as possible. Second objective is to create an enabling policy framework for the development of the 1 lakh MW, that is megawatt of solar power by 2022. Third objective is to create favorable conditions for solar manufacturing capability, particularly solar thermal for indigenous production and market leadership. Now let's come on to the second one. Second is National Mission for Enhanced Energy Efficiency. Okay, in short it is NMEEE. So NMEEE seeks to strengthen the market for energy efficiency by creating conducive regulatory and policy regime. NMEEE has been envisaged to foster innovative and sustainable business models to the energy efficiency sector. The NMEEE seeks to create and sustain market for energy efficiency in the entire country, which will benefit the country and the consumers. Now let's come to the third one. Third one is National Mission on Sustainable Habitat. So the National Mission on Sustainable Habitat seeks to promote sustainability of habitats through improvement in energy efficiency in buildings, urban planning, improved management of solid and liquid waste, model shift towards public transport, and conservation through appropriate changes in legal and regulatory framework. It also seeks to improve ability of habitats to adapt to climate change by improving resilience of infrastructure, community-based disaster management, and measures for improving advanced warning system for extreme weather events. Okay. Fourth one is National Water Mission, that is NWM. So, ensuring integrated water resource management for conservation of water and minimization of waste and equitable distribution both across and within the state. This was the objective of this NWM. Okay, and it also want to develop a framework for optimum water use through increase in water use efficiency by 20% through regulatory mechanism with differential entitlement and pricing, and taking the national water policy into consideration. Okay, it also ensures that the considerable share of water needs of urban areas is met through recycling of wastewater. Another objective was meeting water requirement of the coastal cities through the adoption of new and appropriate technologies such as low temperature desalination technology, allowing the use of ocean water. They also want to develop a new regulatory structure to optimize the efficiency of existing irrigation system. So that was it for this class. In the next class we will discuss our other 4 action plans which are left. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. We'll meet you in the next class.